All right, my friends. Well, the siren is going off, and we're going into our storm shelter. Oh, I guess I should reach up here and close it. That would be smart. So, whew. All right, I'm gonna get my pour ready, and I'll cut to it in just a second. All right, well, we're down here in the shelter. I've got my Stag 24D. I figured my Yeti espresso cup would be a good one. No chance of it breaking down here. I'm gonna pour a little bit of this. So if you were gonna be trapped in your storm shelter for hours and hours and hours, what would you drink? Slunge, my friends.